and thanks for tuning in to the first video of our series, So You Think You May Want to Homeschool. My name is Christine Allen. I'm the owner of Reading Escapades and Math Explorers in Palmerton, Pennsylvania, which is a local learning center. I'm also a homeschooling mom of 15 years. I have children who are in high school, middle school, and as well as a toddler, and I've homeschooled them throughout their entire school life. So our video today is going to be talking about the very number one question that everybody asks when they're thinking about homeschooling, and that is, what about socialization? How is my kid going to have friends if they don't go to school? Before we address of how you can socialize your kids, let's really think about the lie that we've all been led to believe, that socialization only can happen for our kids if they're in a room with up to 30 other students who just happen to be their same age, without any other considerations about the grouping. That really is a blatant lie. You don't socialize with people who are only around your age. You socialize with a lot of different people in different aspects of life. Homeschoolers allow you to actually do that in a real world situation. You interact with kids that are younger than them and with kids that are older than them. They also can interact with a lot of adults. They become friends, and you make lots of different opportunities for them based on their interests, not just on their age. So there's a lot of different things that you can do outside of your house. And in fact, there is so many things that is the act of socializing is not the problem. It's really that some days you have to say, we're not socializing today, we have to stay home. And that's really the problem that most homeschoolers have, is there's too much socialization going on. So on the things of where you can socialize your kids, because you probably don't know yet, there's a lot of things. You can, these are just off the top of my head that I wrote down before the video started. You can do Boy Scouts, Girl Scouts, 4-H clubs. You also can do, churches and libraries often have a lot of groups for kids. Most counties have an environmental center, and they are often running classes for kids. In the summer, one of the biggest things, my kids love going to the pool, and that's an appropriate interaction for the kids. Or if they, in the winter, there's bowling. There's also lots of camps. We have, at Reading Escapades, we also have weekly classes for kids that are homeschool specific, as well as kids that are for after school. And we have camps, again, for both homeschoolers and for kids who want to come on the weekends or on days that they have off school. Once you get into the socialization, you really can find a ton of different things for your kids to do. So even though that is a valid question, and it is the number one question that's asked, it's really the least of your problems when you're thinking about homeschooling. Well, thank you. We hope this answered your question about homeschooling, and we hope that you tune in for our next video, which is about where to get curriculum. Thank you.